regularly, wearing a mask whenever you're out. With regard to masks, today I'm announcing that statewide we are extending the mask mandate for another 30 days. With the rate of the virus the highest that it's ever been, it's more important than ever before in the course of the pandemic to wear a mask when you're around others. At the store, walking in or out of restaurants, in a workplace that people have to be there and can't telecommute. Masks are not as effective as a vaccine, but they're somewhere in that 50 to 75% range. It depends on the mask and the distance and the situation. You are far safer by wearing a mask, and you also protect others if you yourself might be asymptomatic or pre-symptomatic from spreading it and preventing an outbreak with those who you work with or those who you love. So we're going to continue that. I also wanted to address and applaud a lot of the efforts that local governments are taking. Each community in Colorado is experiencing the pandemic differently at different times. In Mesa County, Colorado, they're experiencing the very first wave of coronavirus. In areas like Denver, they're experiencing the largest wave, but it's the third in effective time that it's peaked, and it's at greater rates now than it was in March and April. In March, we needed time to prepare and to learn the practices to save lives and of course, the science and data about the virus. We have great leaders in local government that are looking at really getting a handle in their communities. And there's many communities across the state that are making hard decisions to reduce the spread of the virus, save lives, get their economy open sooner rather than later. Counties like Summit and Adams that have a 10 p.m. curfew. Denver residents also in Denver only interact with members of your household is the municipal order. Many other counties have taken nuanced measures, testing, education, mask wearing campaigns. But look, this shouldn't be confusing to anybody because it doesn't matter where you live in our state. No matter where you live in our state, avoid social interactions with others outside your household these next few weeks. Wear a mask whenever you're out. Physically distance at least 10 feet from others where you can, and wash your hands regularly when you return from a time that you had to go out.